Hello, who's there? Is this real? Are you real?
All we do is just walk around like this.
Welcome to our video!
Be as stupid as possible.
We make instructional video for you, so you will understand the power and precision of birds.
We're taking off on a space shell.
We'll teach you the bird calls and the ways of the bird.
This is Magus Magus, that Booner Boma, and I Bob.
Oi! Eh! E!
You just say how do birds fly? I don't know. How am I so fucking awesome? It just is.
What bird is?
First, to find out, you must think about what a bird is. What is bird? Think to yourself in your mind.
When I think about what bird is, really blows my mind.
There's wings and a beak.
Too far away and just out of reach. Bird is like, it's something you can't really define. It is inside of us all. It is like rocket ship.
The things you'll need to know about birds.
You have to just feel it within inside of you.
What you must understand about birds, they're like Santa Claus. They leave you little gifts in the form of the white spots all over your car.
Die, bird, die!
What's this bird called?
It is the primal lust. It is the desire for all the food that comes in sweet wrapped candy bars.
Sometimes birds call you and you have to pretend like you're not interested. So then they try harder to get you. So then you can have great fun later that night. Hello? Yeah. No, I don't know. Kind of busy, bird. Maybe later. Rain check. Maybe. Whatever. That was Olga.
In Soviet Russia, bird call you.
In order to find birds, you must have the look. The look. The look. The look. Do you understand the look? See this? Pardon me, look. See this? Pardon me, look.
You must look. Bird. Bird.
Look.
Look. Bird.
Look.
Look.
As you can tell, we have a bird dance. To call them to us, you must dance.
Very hard to dance correctly.
This dance was made famous by Miss Tina Turner.
Yeah, that was dance of South African Kiki bird. It is mating call. Very good dance.
Sometimes when I look for birds, this is where I go.
This very big bird, very tall, very hard.
This is where you'll find the birds.
This is where you find bird. Here. Here.
You must find bird by looking for bird footprints. It's the only way you can find bird. See the... You're not a bird.
I am a bird.
How the fuck did that come into you?
Mama, where is my bird?
This is the neck bone of the biggest bird I ever saw. It was flying up there when I don't know what was going on.
Neck bone!
Came down, reflected off my plate, blinded the bird, whatever. It crashed, so what? I killed the bird.
Oh! Neck bone! Neck bone! Neck bone! Neck bone! Let us take off with the neck bone of the bird.
Let us fly to tomorrow's bird nest. This is where you find my birds. Oh!
This where bird lived.
Good bird.
Norwegian bird like living piano. You hear that?
In bird calls, there's many ways to set your hands to make the birds come. As you call, you must take your hands into the picture you want the bird to see, so it will come at you. This is called the eagle.
This is rooster call. You put your hand like this and you call the rooster. Urururu! Urururu!
The peacock.
Rabbit bird call. This is what you must do with your hand for rabbit bird. With your other hand, you must twist nipple so they go.
This is called the swan.
The penguin. Wah! Wah!
The robin.
You become a seagull. Dum-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dum-dum. That's called the seagull.
The only thing that can sway the hearts of children as much as birds is. So you must spend all your time finding birds.
Looking for bird is like believing in self.
And then you won't have to go out on the street corner and hang out with those bad types of people.
Be like me and follow your dreams.
The type running around with the guns and the rap music
Look where I am in life.
and the no clothes.
If you are a bird, we will call you. Or if you have couch, we will sleep on.
And eat food.
I'll lay eggs
Your food.
Bird.
on your couch if you pay me.
Trust us. It's guaranteeable. Don't stop believing.
This is our world.